Hello students, welcome to online classes. Myself Poonam Sharma and I am going to teach you maths of class 3rd. Okay, so let's learn about chapter number 3 subtraction. In that exercise 3rd E we will do. So take out your book, page number 68. Yes, so you can see there exercise 3rd E, page number 68. So you will write this question in your maths notebook. Yes, you can see there are 12 questions. So we will solve it in our notebook. So you will write today's date. Okay, 14/7/2020, chapter number 3 subtraction, exercise 3rd E. Question: subtract the following. Now in previous class we had learned about exercise 3rd D. In that we learned subtraction of 3-digit number without regrouping. Okay, so today I am going to teach you 3-digit number subtraction with regrouping. Okay, so what you will do first, you will write this place values, 100, tens, ones. Okay, and then we will write this question from book. Yes, so always we will start subtraction from ones place. Yes, so you can see there is 5 and 7. Yes, so can we subtract 7 from 5? Yes, is it possible? No, because 7 is bigger number and 5 is smaller number. So what we had done, we will cut this 5 and we will write here 15. Now you will ask how it will be 15. So I will teach you what we will do. What is regrouping, students? Tell me. Regrouping is borrowing. Okay, when we borrow from this number, from tens or from 100, okay, so this is called regrouping or borrowing. So now we will cut 5 number, okay, and we will write here 15. See how it will be 15. We had taken one number from this 6. Okay, so you can see 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Yes, so this 5 we will write here, and you can see when one number will come from tens to ones. Yes, so it will become 10 number. Okay, when we take one number from this tens place, this will become 10 number. Okay, now this 5 we will add here. So 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. So this 15 we will write here. Now we subtract this 7 from 15. Okay, so when we minus 7, yes, from 15, answer will be 8. Okay, now here we had given one number to ones place. So how many is remaining? 5 is remaining here. So from 5 we have to subtract 4. So 4 minus 5 is equal to answer 1. Yes, then 4 minus 2. From 4 we have to subtract 2. So answer will be 2. Now come to next question. Here also 100, tens and ones is there. Yes, so our question will be 396. Yes, we have to subtract 168 from 396. Yes, so you can see this is again smaller number. 6 is again smaller number, so we can't subtract this 8 from 6. Yes, so now what we will do, we will cut this 6 and write 16. Why 16? Because we will borrow from this 9. Yes, yes or no? Yes, so when 9 minus 1, it will become 8. So we will write 8. Yes, we will cut this 9 number and we will write here 8 number. Okay, because 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. So we will write this 8 here. Okay, now we had given one number to this ones place. So this is the one number. When one number will come from tens place to ones place, it will become 10. Yes, now we will add this 6 number to it. Okay, so 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. So here it is 16. This 16 will come here. Okay, so now we will deduct or we will minus this 8 from 16. Okay, so when we minus 8 from 16, answer will be 8. Yes, now come to tens place. 8 is there. Okay, so we have to subtract 6 from 8. Is it possible? Yes, because 8 is bigger number and 6 is smaller number. So it is possible to subtract 6 from 8. So answer will be 2. 6 minus 8 is equals to 2. Now come to 100 place. 3 minus 1. Is it possible? Yes, of course it is possible, because 3 is greater number and 1 is smaller number. So we will write here 2. How to? Because when we minus or we subtract 1 from 3, answer will be 2. Okay. Students, you will do this first, second, third, fourth. Okay. 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Okay, I am sending you PDF in your fair copy. Till 12 you will do. Okay, one more thing I want to explain you in this question number 9. Okay. So, you can see 1 and 3. Yes, so again 1 is smaller number and 3 is bigger number. So, it is not possible to subtract 3 from 1. So, what we will do? We will write here 11. Okay, we will write here 11. How it will be 11? Because one number we will take from this 5. So, 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So, we will take here one number. Okay. So, 10 plus 1. This one we will write here. This is this one. Okay. So, 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Okay. So, what we will do? We will cut this and we will write 11 here. Okay. Now, what we had done here, we had given one number to ones place. So, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So, we wrote here 4. Yes, we wrote here 4. Now, from this 4 number, can we subtract 7 number? No, it is not possible. So, now what we will do? We will take from this hundreds place. This hundreds place, 4 digit is there. So, we will take one number. Yes, here. So, again 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. So, we will write this 14 here. So, now we will subtract 7 from 14. So, answer will be 7. Yes. Then we will go to hundreds place. Yes. What is there in 100? 4 digit is there. We have cut. Yes. Because we had given one number to tens place. Now, how many is remaining? 3 number is remaining. Okay. So, 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay, students, these 4 questions are like this. Okay, so you will try, yes, practice it so that you can easily are able to do. This 10th one is also the same. Yes, you can see in this tens column we have to do this type. Okay, once again we have to take from 100. So, this you will do. Yes, then in 11th also you will do like this. Then in 12th also. 12th, let me explain. I will explain you. Okay. You can see 5 and 8 is there. Okay. This is 8. So, it is bigger number. 5 is smaller number. So, what we will do? We will cut this 5 and write 15. Okay. 15. Because 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. But you can see here 0 is there. So, from 0 can we borrow? No, we can't borrow. So, what we will do? We will go to this place now. Okay, we will go to this place. Then what we will do? We will cut 5. Okay, because 5 minus 1 is equals to 4 and write here 4. Okay, so you can see first what we had done. We had taken one number to this 100 place. Then we will write here 10. Okay, we will write first you will write this 10. This 10 you will write first. Okay, then come to our this, okay, ones place. Now from 15 we will minus 8. Okay, so 8 minus 15, answer will be 7. Okay, now come to tens place. There is 10 number. Okay, we can see first there is 10 number. Okay, there is 10 number because we had taken one number here. So 0 plus 10 is equals to 10. So this 10 number we will write here. Okay. Then we had given one number to this. Okay. So there is 10. Okay. Now because we had given one number to this, okay, it will become 9. Okay. Yes, it will become 9 because 1 we had taken from 100. Okay. Then it will become 0, become 10. Okay. Then from 10 we have to give 1 to this ones place. So there will be we will cut 10 and we will write 9 here and then give 1 to 1's place. So 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Okay. Now 9 minus 8, answer will be 1. Yes. Then we will go to hundreds place. So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Okay. So when we subtract 288 from 505, we get 217. So our answer will be 217. Students, I am giving you PDF of all these questions, okay, all these 12 questions. So you will write in your fair copy, okay, in neat handwriting, beautiful, and write carefully, okay, don't do mistakes in that. So thanks for this class.